Here is why I think Trias is a value buy right now. Trias dumped hard lately, as we can see right here, and it's of course no surprise because Bitcoin did exactly the same. And as I said in my last video when I analyzed Trias, I said that Trias, at least so far, it's emulating Bitcoin to the T. And looking at this chart right here, I think this area right here, it's a good buying zone for Trias. And of course, this is no financial advice, but for me, this is a good buy right here. And of course, that does not mean I will use all my money right here. It's important to hold more money for the next level. What if the things go south and if Bitcoin will wick even lower, right? Because actually I'm expecting Bitcoin to wick down to this area right here, to $38,000. And if that happens, there is a high chance that Trias will at least go to this level right here or maybe here. So I will keep more money for these levels right here, and I will dollar cost average into this. This area right here would be a very good value buy. As you can see, a lot of action in this area right here, a lot of action here, right? Cool. Now let me have a look at shorter time frame, and that is the weekly. And what do we see here? We can see here that Trias is fighting to hold this level right here of support. We can see this level right here, it's quite important. It touches a lot of candles and looks like it stops exactly right here. So if we look at the VPVR as well, we can see that actually it wicked down close to the edge of this bar right here. So we still find in this good buying area if you think about the long term. If you bought Trias, for example, let's say at $10 or at $15 on the way up, or even at 20 or 25, right? Because you thought it's going to retest this previous all-time high and go higher, right? This would be a very, very good way to actually add more to your stack. Like I said, no financial advice, and to lower your average price. That's what you do with the project you believe in and you want to take profits in the long term. Now, looking here on the weekly chart, I see something interesting, especially on the stochastic, and I will go exactly there. We can see the stochastic has been only once in this area right here, and now tried to cross up. It did not happen. Now it's crossing down again, of course, because Bitcoin is bearish, but after that it will cross up and go like this, right? Probably maybe on the next attempt or on the second next attempt. Okay, and let's see what's happening when this happened here. Let me do these lines. Here is not quite important because it is at the middle, but here we can see what happened. It was the candle or the wick before the lowest point right here, this week low, but after that it closed green, right? That does not mean that it will happen this time as well, but there is a possibility, there is a chance for the next week to be a green one, and before becoming a green one it could wick down, maybe touch one of these targets right here. This could be some decent buying chances for Trias. And let's have a look at something else. Let's see how much the Trias went down in May, 92%, and now we are at 76%. So it still can go lower than that, right? Where will put us if Trias will go to, let's say, 80%. So yeah, 80%, it is actually a very good buy in this case. And right now we can see we sit at 70%, which is still a very good discount buy on the long term when you think, right? Everything over 60% on the altcoins, especially the small cap ones, it's a good buy in my book. But like I said, it's always important to have liquidity and to DCA accordingly when you get the chance. Something else that makes me say and think that this is a good buy opportunity, you can see right here, the RSI is at its lowest it has ever been. So that does not mean that it cannot go low and come to this area for the first time. That's an option, of course. It will come down now. I don't know. We will see. But I think maybe this area right here is for the bear market, and I still don't believe we are in a bear market yet, at least. The MACD is the only one looking really bearish, and it looks like it's going down. But yeah, it could turn around if Bitcoin will put a low. Now you tell me, what do you think about this? Does it worth to invest more money in Trias, or you don't have any good expectation from it from now on? Thanks for watching and see you next time.